Basically, yeah, engine. I got the coils wired like that, but that was just temporary to see if it'd run, and it ran. So now I'm gonna take all the wires, run them back and through. Other than that, got this wiring harness fab for the alternator. Got the trans in. I got the drive shaft in. Throttle cable is hooked up, but I had to take it back out. Trans is in. See if I can get a shot underneath. Fuck. Trans all bolted up. Drive lines all on. Need the exhaust put back on, but yeah, everything's done. Pretty much solid. So, let's see here. O2s. Alright. And then, let's see what else I had to do. Coils and, oh yeah, the fuel rail. Already mocked up over here. Mocked up a fuel rail. Using the GT fuel rail with the bend right there for the inlet. This will run to the inlet for the fuel, and then, this is on the right side of the motor. This is on the left side. And, basically that. There's my throttle body. I also made a homemade intake here. Let me see if I got this. Kind of like want this route. Some piping. Some piping right there. The intake. Gotta shorten it a little bit, but pretty solid. It's our shop. I don't know. That's where I did a whole swap at. So, little garage, little swap, little garage. There's the H pipe, and there's the car. Looking good.